I modified my Outland Firebowl to a grill, flat top grill. So when we go camping, I don't have to bring the flat top grill and the firebowl. When we're done cooking, I'll go ahead and take the flat top grill off, and then we can use this spot for a fire. And then also when there's a burn ban, we can use this because now it has a grate in there. So what you do is buy a flat top, and I'll put a link to that, and then buy a grill. And to keep it secure in here, what you can do is drill some holes and put some stainless screws in there and some acorn nuts to help hold it, so it won't move when you're cooking, because when you put that on there and you're scraping it, it's going to move. And the final product, the fajitas are done. Now we're doing the tortillas.